Shiplap installation can transform any space, bringing warmth, texture, and timeless character to your walls or ceilings. Though it may seem daunting at first, with a little preparation and the right approach, you can create a stunning shiplap feature that looks professionally crafted. Whether you're a seasoned DIY enthusiast or tackling shiplap for the very first time, this guide will walk you through every step, ensuring your installation is smooth, secure, and visually pleasing. Begin by gathering your necessary tools and materials. You will need shiplap boards, a stud finder, measuring tape, level, miter saw, nail gun or hammer and finish nails, adhesive, optional, a pencil, safety equipment, caulk, wood filler, sandpaper, and paint or stain if you plan to finish your boards. Having everything ready before you start will help the process flow seamlessly. First, take the time to prepare your space. Remove any obstacles from the installation area, like picture frames, outlet covers, or baseboards, as this will make it easier to get a flush, polished look. Give your walls a quick wipe down to remove dust or debris. If your wall isn't perfectly flat, don't worry. Shiplap's overlapping design helps to disguise minor imperfections. Before you start installing, it's crucial to figure out the orientation and layout of your shiplap. Traditional shiplap runs horizontally, which tends to make rooms feel more expansive, but you can also create a striking effect with vertical installation, accenting the height of your space. Decide where you want to start and measure your wall carefully, marking out the stud locations with a pencil. Anchoring your shiplap to studs ensures a sturdy installation and prevents your boards from sagging or detaching over time. If this is your first time with power tools, review the safety instructions and take care to wear protective eyewear and gloves. With your stud finder, scan along the wall, marking each stud location with a vertical pencil line. This will guide your nailing later and guarantee your boards are securely fastened. Next, measure the width of your wall and calculate the number of boards you'll need. It's wise to dry fit your boards, arranging them on the floor to see how they fit together, and planning for any cuts around outlets, windows, or doors. If your wall isn't a perfect multiple of your board width, consider whether you'll want thinner boards at the edges for a balanced appearance. When you're ready to make your first cut, use a miter saw to trim your boards to the correct length. Double-check your measurements. Measure twice, cut once might be an old saying, but it's essential for a neat result. For obstacles or tight corners, use a jigsaw to notch boards as needed. Now it's time for installation. Many experts recommend starting at the bottom, working your way up, and using a level to ensure your first row is perfectly straight. Even if your floor isn't completely level, you want your first board to be. Otherwise, slight deviations can become amplified as you work upward. If your baseboards are particularly uneven, you can scribe the first shiplap board to match the contour, or remove and reinstall the baseboard over the shiplap for a crisp finish. Apply a small amount of construction adhesive to the back of each board for added security, especially if nailing into studs isn't possible at every point. Press the board against the wall, check it with the level, and fix it in place using your nail gun or hammer and finish nails, securing the board at each stud location. Drive nails at a slight downward angle for extra hold. If your boards have a pre-cut groove or rabbet, the next board will fit snugly atop the first, hiding the nails and giving that classic shadowed gap. Work your way up the wall, placing a nickel or a small spacer between boards for consistent gaps if your shiplap does not have built-in spacing. Check the level every few boards to ensure your lines stay straight, as even a slight slant can become noticeable across a large section. Continue installing, cutting boards as needed to fit the end of each row, and staggering the seams for a more natural, seamless effect. For outlets, switches, or other obstacles, measure and mark the board before cutting a hole with a jigsaw, ensuring the outlet will sit flush with the new surface. Once all the boards are in place, step back and inspect your work. This is the time to fill any nail holes with wood filler, smoothing them over with sandpaper once dry. For gaps around windows, doors, or at the edges where the boards meet the wall, apply a thin bead of paintable caulk, blending it carefully for a tidy appearance. If you want extra crisp edges, add trim or molding to the ends or corners. Now comes the finishing touch, painting or staining your shiplap. Some people love the fresh, bright look of classic white shiplap, while others prefer a stained or natural wood finish that highlights the grain and brings warmth to a space. If painting, use a high-quality primer first, followed by your chosen paint. For stain, follow the manufacturer's instructions, wiping with a lint-free cloth for an even coat, and sealing with polyurethane for durability. Make sure to ventilate the area and let everything dry thoroughly before moving furniture or decor back in place. A shiplap wall lends character and texture to any area. It works beautifully in living rooms, bedrooms, hallways, mud rooms, or even as a dramatic ceiling treatment. The finished result feels both timeless and modern, offering charm with a subtle hint of rustic appeal. Best of all, having installed it yourself, you'll enjoy a real sense of accomplishment every time you walk into the room. Remember, every DIY project presents some challenges. Patience is key, and a willingness to adjust as you work ensures the end result will be something you're proud to showcase. Even if a board or two needs to be removed and realigned, the process is forgiving and the transformation is well worth the effort. With these steps and a little determination, shiplap installation can be made easy. As you look around at your newly refreshed space, take a moment to appreciate not just the beauty of the wood grain and crisp lines, but the satisfaction of a job well done, crafted by your own hands. Whether shiplap is the centerpiece of your interior design or a subtle accent, its timeless appeal and inviting texture will make your home feel more welcoming and unique for years to come.